Hi, my name is Dr. Patty Ann Ford, and today we're going to talk about how self-compassion works when it comes to your weight, when it comes to showing up in the world in your current body. And we're just going to do a quick exercise. So diet culture teaches that all the problems will go away, or can assume that all your problems can go away by losing weight. And so what that means is, if I lose weight, then my self-esteem issues will go away, my trust and intimacy issues will decrease, or my struggles with my worth as a person. If I could just lose the weight, I would feel all of these things can be lifted. And what would it be like if you could unhook your weight from social anxiety, unhook your weight from trust or intimacy issues, unhook your weight with your worth as a person, and you want to process and look at those core struggles or those core distressing feelings outside of your weight. What diet culture can do is really shame or guilt that if you just lost the weight, then all of these things would go away. And that isn't necessarily the truth all of the time, where your body can change and the internal dialogue that you have, trust or faith or worth, it still can be quite distressful, even 50 or 100 or 150 pounds, or even 10 or 15 pounds. And you can feel more comfortable in your body with different sizes, yet the inner dialogue typically doesn't change when the outside changes. And so if you are navigating any sort of weight management or weight loss, I commend you, because it is a lot of work, but I do want you to pay attention. Are you focusing on what's happening in your heart and in your soul? And you want to make sure that if you really want true transformation in your health, you're going to want to pay attention to how you feel about it. I hope this was helpful. Reminder to unhook your worth and your weight. Okay, have a good day. Bye.